I loved to cook when I was a kid. I used to make cookies for my parents, and then I learned how to make different pasta dishes, and I used to surprise them when they came home. And I used to make my dad these gigantic peanut butter cookies, and he loved them so much. Okay, that's nice and worked in. Now I'm gonna wipe my hands, and I'm gonna add in the stuff from the stove, our ginger and our cumin seed. And then I'm going to add my cilantro and mint. And then my garam masala, chili powder, and coriander powder. That didn't happen, you didn't see that, just pretend that didn't happen. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt, and it's really just salt how much you like, and the peas. And then I think that's everything. I'm gonna start mixing the mixture together and really mix it well. You want all the flavors to be evenly distributed. And I know I always say this, but guys, this smells so good.